So I'm going to take a look at DHT. This is my last tanker company that I have on my list, and they do VLCC, which is very large crude carriers. They're the supertankers. So this is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So I zoomed out here to the long-term view, and this company is pretty crazy. They crashed from 230 down to $5 a long time ago, and they have just stayed down here this whole time. Okay, so zoom in here to today. So DHT stands for DHT. I looked on their website and the acronym doesn't have any meaning. It's just DHT. So these guys crashed a while ago, and I'm in here kind of on our local timeline now, and they came down before the crash, which was pretty normal, and here's the crash. So these guys have been killing it since the crash started. So let's look at it. Dead cat, and then a bomb, and then a bull trap. So the S&P was down here doing this stuff, and DHT was up here killing it. So this looks pretty aggressive. This looks almost better than TK, the TNK. And so they got a hop off the dead cat, and then they got the double up off of the bull trap. So they have the most aggressive up moves that I see here. Yes, double up on the bull trap. Thank you. And if the stock market comes down and does like a dead cat and then another bull trap and then a sort of an in spot in about a month and a half, because this is a 3-month cycle, down, bounce, bounce kind of thing for the S&P. This is turning over really hard now on the bull trap. As we saw, like Sakos, like the Greek oil tankers are not turning over right now. They're still fighting up. So this one looks like it got pretty hot pretty early, and they may be, let me think about this one. They may be full already. And I think the Mediterranean tankers are just starting to get oil now, and they're just starting to heat up. So I think all of the tanker companies are pretty good on the ups during this. It should be a dead cat and then a double up on the bull trap, and then once you get to the end, this is a reversal into completely different market conditions where it's a little harder to predict. But I think all the tankers will be good on the ups, and they pull down, but not too bad if you want to hold through the whole crash. And this is not financial advice, but it looks like DHT is going to hit that like button right now to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, they look really good. TNK and DHT look like the two companies that are just having the most aggressive ups and also have an uptrend through the entire crash. Just these two are up as longs through the crash. So I'm not really looking to hold long anything through the crash except dollars and or treasuries, maybe DXY, just those kind of money assets. Most things pull down in the crash, and you can avoid those by not holding them on the way down. And so I'm swing trading this whole crash pretty much, and these are hot spots for gold and oil tankers on the ups. And then over here, we switch into completely different monetary expansion conditions where the oil tankers should still be pretty good, I think. So I'll do a recap video on these and kind of put them in order and kind of figure out strategies for when to trade which ones. But that is DHT, and happy trading. Cheers.